back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time. Oh my god, when I'm speaking English, like, ayun nga guys, since tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-upload ng new makeup tutorial, but I am more active on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. So kasi marami kasing ganap sa akin itong mga nakaraang buwan. Like, I am so full of schedule. Like, I'm an artist. Umuulan ng brands and collabs and I am so very busy. Like, I don't know how to do it all. So, kasi nag-work din ako like Monday to Friday. Thankful din ako na kasi yung work ko sa office is Monday to Friday. And then, so for today's tutorial, I am so in love with natural look, morena, beach. Not beach like B-I-T-C-H. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Girl. Beach look. Yung alam mo yun, yung parang Moana look. Like something like that. So, yung tutorial na to is like more on warm to bronzy shades, I guess. So, and yes, guys, hindi ako nakahubad or whatever. Meron akong chub. Wala na akong damit. Wala na akong papadala sa harang damit. Like, since naging partner rin ako ng G21, share ko lang. Before kasi, super duper freeze ko lang yung inaalagaan ko. Like, kasi ito lang pinagkakakitaan ko eh. Ito lang. So, ito lang inaalagaan ko. Kaya as you can see, wala talaga kayong makikitang tagyawat or whatever. Kasi inaalagaan ko talaga yan. Dahil ito ang puhunan ko. Char! So, ngayon yung naging partner ng G21, you see yung mismo si Jean Bonilla. If I'm not wrong, Miss Jean. Super na-inspired ako sa katawan niya. Like, she's so, ooh, the body it's so makinis. Like, ngayon talaga napaka-active ko na sa pag-scrub. And then this one, guys, this is fruit peel oil. I use this to exfoliate yung ganto ko and then yung tuhod ko. And then, after a week ba or 3 days, like 4 days, nag-peel na siya. And then, I hope mag-whitening talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Super effective. Makikita mo kagad yung ano niya, yung pangyayari sa buhay mo like that. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-wash ng aking face using this Cherry Blossom Cleanser. This is my favorite. Super bango niya, guys. Tapos after mo maghilamos, like, feel mo yung, oh, isa sa ano, malama. So, ayun, gamit na gamit ko siya. Kasi mga kapatid ko rin nakikigamit din. Yung magulang ko, yung tatay ko, yung kapatid ko. Ako lang nag-iisang babaeng anak, pero mga kapatid ko nakikigamit. Like, girl! Kasi, after a week ba? Almost 1 week ko na mga 1 week ko na ito ginagamit siya. Kasi sabi ng nanay ko, anak, nag-glow ka. Anong ginagamit mo? Sabi ko, glow to tayo G21. Kasi hindi ko alam. Parang, feeling ko yung parang, hindi naman pumuputi, pero yung feeling mo nag-glow yung skin mo like, like, oh my god. So, ayun, I usually take this like 1 capsule a day. Pero kapag medyo addict talaga ako, mga 2 gano'n. Pero ang ano talaga niya recommended is 1 to 2 capsule a day. But, so ngayon, mag-take ako guys. Kasi yun, paubos na nga siya eh. Ate Jean! Ang arte ko ngayong araw, sa totoo lang. So, ganito yung itsura niya guys. It's a pink capsule. So far, so good. Wala akong nararamdamang effect like na tumitirik yung mata ko. Tumitirik talaga. This is my first time na gumamit ng mga gantong tayo, like yung iniinom talaga. Kasi never talaga ako nagpapaturok or umiinom ng anything capsule tablets na glutathione before. More on ano lang ako, koji-koji, lotion-lotion, ganyan. More on dampi-dampi lang. And ito talaga guys, like, it's so effective sa akin. So, I don't know. Sana matry nyo rin guys para ma-experience yung mga na-experience ko. Excuse me guys. So, ito siya guys. I'm gonna drink it. Moisturize muna ako ng face. Parang i-prep ko lang yung skin ko. This is from Queen K. I usually use this one sa TikTok ko. But today, dito muna ako sa isa nilang oil. This is beauty in 1 bottle. So, meron siyang sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, rose hip oil, olive oil. Lahat ng oil. Yan, baby oil. Char. So, parang ngayon ko lang siya nagamit pa. Parang nagamit ko na din siya before. Guys, ngayon ko na na-realize na super ganda talaga ng oil sa katawan. Like, as in. If you are looking for some oil, guys, you must check out Queen K. As in, nag-trending, nag-viral siya sa TikTok. Meron isang TikTokeries na talagang, naano niya talaga yung oil ni Queen K. Na flex talaga niya ng bonggang-bongga. Kung gusto niyo makita, guys, ito siya. Meron silang 2 oils. So, meron silang organic sunflower oil, which is ito yung nag-viral talaga na as in, girl. Kasi, ang ganda ng effect ito kahit mga stretch mark kung matatanggal. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa stretch mark ko sa may bandang bikini area. Bikini area. But ito talaga yung gamit na gamit ko. Itong organic organic virgin coconut oil or BCO. Ito madalas kong gamitin sa buhok ko and then sa katawan. Kasi gusto ko yung buhok ko shine bright like a diamond. You must try this one. I'm gonna put some tinted lip balm. This is from Sugar Dolls. I love Sugar Dolls so much. 18 siyang kasal. Like, I'm gonna use this Show Your Brow. This is from Miracle Skin. This is brow soap. So, ito guys. And also guys, this is from Squad Cosmetic. Napaka-cute ng brushes nila. Like, it's so cute. And then, meron nakasulat dito na Squad. Ito siya guys. So, ang technique is, i-brush mo siya opposite sa iyong brows. Like this. After nyan, gagamit ako nitong Perfectly Defined. This is from Sugar Doll's Eyebrow Pencil in the shade of Dark Brown. So, what I'm gonna do is, if you fill in ko yung part na parang may mga, ano mo yung space. Conceal ko siya using this Maybelline Concealer Fit Me in the shade of 25 Medium. So, ito siya guys. It is so like my skin. So, meron ako ilalagay. This is from XOXO Cosmetic. This is my favorite products. And di natin makikita kung gano'n na lang siya kakonti. Super konti na lang siya as in. Kasi gamit na gamit ko to. This is Beautiful Eyebrow Fixer. So, kapag naglagay ka nito guys, tatagal. Like forever. Char. Lagay mo lang is ganyan. Yung ayos siyang ganyan. Ganyan na talaga siya the whole day. Kapag naglagay ka ng brow fixer. So, ang next kong gagawin is maglalagay na ako ng eyeshadow. So, for my eyes, I am going to use this Squad Cosmetic Mini Palette. More on ano siya, guys? Nude, brown, or whatever. So, ito yung una kong gagamitin. This is Squadlet Shy. So, first shade is this one. Guys, after nyan is mag-eyeliner na ako. But for my eyeliner, I am going to use this Squadlet again in the shade of Shy. But this time, I'm gonna use this shade. The darker one. Mawet ang aking brush product. After nyan is mag-curl na ako ng aking lashes and then maglalagay ako ng mascara. So, I'm gonna curl my lashes like this. And then after nyan is magmamascara na ako. Mascara ko from root is sinishake ko siya like this. Happy talaga tong Maybelline mascara guys. This is my favorite. As you can see, super na gano'n na yung aking. Super talaga na curl ang aking lashes. So, ayan guys, para sa silang like open na open. And then, when I go this, there's Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. After nyan, madadry na siya. Ang gagawin ko is i-curl ko siya ulit. Oh my gosh! So, after nyan guys, is mag-a-add ako ng white eyeliner para lang mag-soft lang yung eyes ko. Like, so, this from BYS Cosmetic. So, ang shade niya is 23 Soft Whites. So, guys, tapos na ako sa eye makeup. But, not really. Kasi maglalagay ako ng konting shimmer dyan. But, tayo din ako maglalagay. Ang next kong gagawin is ang aking face na. So, for today's face, ang gagawin ko is parang beach tone siya, like warm, medyo morena ang effect, parang tan, ganon. Mga makeup hacks sa TikTok. So, what I'm gonna do, since tapos na ako maglagay ng oil, maglalagay ako ng konting powder. So, ito, pinakabago to ng Curlan. This is Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder in the shade of Sugar. So, yung shade niya is parang may pagka-pink something. Ang gagawin ko is magdadab-dab lang ako ng very, very light. Okay. After nyan is maglalagay ako ng primer. This is from Pretty Secret Oil Control Pore Minimizer Primer. Dito ko lang siya ilalagay guys. Ito yung pinaka-favorite TikTok makeup hacks ko. Kasi super effective siya and realness. After nyan is maglalagay ako ng konting mist. So, this is from G21 Japanese Facial Mist. maglagay na ako ng foundation. What I'm going to do is, pag nimix ko tong Careline BB Cream and then this one, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade of 228 Soft Tan. Ayan ko yung aking sponge. So guys, after blending, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Super grabe yung coverage, diba guys? Like, where are you, girl? So what I'm gonna do is apply all the creams, liquids sa aking face before ako maglagay ng powder para hindi siya mag-cakey. Ang gagawin ko is gagamit ako nitong contour stick. This from Careline, my favorite contour ever. Or like contouring your face, give you a tan looking rich. I'm gonna add some blush. This is from Sugar Dolls in the shade of Gummy Bear. What I love, meron siyang mirror naman eh. After nyan, maglagay ako ng blush. This from Careline All Control Blush On in the shade of Starlight Shine. So, parang siyang contour shade. Like, parang siyang brown something which is, I really love. Perfect for summer blush. So, ganyan siya guys. Like, ooh, la 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 la. So, ang gagawin ko is maglalagay ako ng konting mall, which is I always do sa mga look ko. Naglalagay ako ng mga mall effect dyan. Kasi feeling ko ang sexy kapag may mall. Yung mall ko kasi, puro siya, ano, eto, yan, eto. Napaka-light lang. Meron din ako dito sa part na to, like, parang Freckles na siya, di mo malaman kung Americana. So, ang pinaka-gusto kong mall part is this part. Char. Tapos, eto, feeling ko ang tangos ng ilong ko kapag meron akong mall dito. And then, feeling ko sexy ako kapag naglagay ako ng mall dito. And then, feeling ko si Janie ako kapag naglagay ako ng mall dito. Tapos yung mga mall ko, dinadarken ko din siya. Loso yung eyeliner. And then, mag-add ako ng konting parang freckles na di mo malaman kung ano dyan. Look at that batik-batik girl! Looks so cute. Parang mukha akong marunong mag-surf, ganon. So, after niya, maglagay ako ng konting highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. So, this is from Dream Face. They call it Glow Tint Liquid Highlighter in the shade of Goddess. Like what I said, maglagay ako ng konting glitters. The same Squadlet palette na ginamit ko kanina. So guys, after nyan, we are almost done. I'm gonna do my lips na. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline newest collection. This is Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade of 100 Rich High. This is the natural shade. Grabe, napaka-natural ang shade na to. And then mag-add ako ng konting 115 No Limits. So this is from Maybelline also Super Staying Ink Crayon. So what I'm gonna do is just dab in the inner heart. Super natural look and not so heavy. So I'll be back. I'm gonna do some retouch and then also fix my hair and I'll be right back.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometimes, and I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us.
Hello guys, so this is the final look and final hairstyle, and nag-retouch na rin ako, and I love how it turned out. Like, I'm so... I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and of course, watch my next video, girl, because I'll be having a giveaway there, sponsored by Sugar Dolls. So of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on this tutorial. If you guys have any suggestion or any comments about this look, don't forget to leave it down below. And of course, follow me on my social media accounts, all the link down below, and I hope you guys see you in my next video. Bye!
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.